I feel like Max Eigen.
Cross over. Yeah, you just got to make sure you don't get run over while you're using it. Is it recording?
It's recording, Bill.
Happy days.
Tell me, oh pal, you're on camera like an old spruce.
It's an old tree.
Like an old spruce.
Celebrity. Beautiful weather.
The favourite weather, Tommy, oh pal, the favourite weather.
It's beautiful here in the summer.
Apart from eating Randall territory. Alright fans, I don't like being on camera, so there we are. The camera at 10 pounds. No, it's definitely not that.
Down a little bit.
I'm sure it is, tell me open. Oh. Ah, little sweet girl. I know, I got her out of frame so she can get...
That's what I was doing when I was passing.
Tell me about. Yeah, my name's Anthony Vegan. I don't like things like that. I think I'll definitely have to have one I like this and this like funny stick thing.
And then they're not really imposing, are they?
No.
So small. If you want to hide the red light, you can put a bit of tape over it or something like that. Oh, what a day.
My favourite weather.
Professional power boat.
That's the way.
That's the way. Oh, there's a gate here.
That's what I say, yeah, yeah. I'm not sure where. Let's have a look at that.
More old school.
Cool. I'm sure it's up this bit.
Up here.
Not that bit, this bit.
Oh, it's the same bit.
That's what it is. Right? I don't think it'll take us where I think it takes us. Right.
Some rocks here on the floor. Watch this, it's slippery.
On the belt. It's very slippery because it's wet. Oh, it's very slippery. And looks great with the colours though, really nice.
Yeah, it's really, I mean, it's better than the human eye now, it'll be better on the screen.
Oh, it'll be really good. I'll give it to you in a minute, Tommy, as well. Oh. Yeah, this is maybe not the bit. But
well, it's still a wonder, I suppose.
Still a wonder.
Wonder bar.
Now I think I know where this actually bit is here. It's not the bit I thought. Whoa, oh my god, I don't want to fall down in these shoes.
Ah, beautiful. Stretch your legs.
Yeah.
See where this goes anyway.
Wow.
Hey,
Exactly, has to.
action cam. Slipping on the stone.
Yeah, this goes to the point where the guy jumped off. This does.
The guy jumped off.
Yeah.
What?
In the history of it, where a guy jumped off. The old days, yeah. If we'd have went that way, that really would have taken us to the castle.
Let's see if it comes out a lot up here.
He'll come out by the road.
Is that where it comes out?
Then we have to walk back down.
Should we cross through here though?
Yeah, I'm not sure we can. Not to get to the castle. To get to the castle's the other way.
We go back that way.
Back that way, my love. Looking sexy on camera! You can have a go now.
Timer!
It's really fun, like.
Yeah, it is really fun.
Yeah, now I can see why Max loves